Though menopause itself is simply the movement that menstruation stops. If you are experiencing any of these symptoms of premenopause or menopause, certain yoga asana, pranayam, and mudraएं can be a wonderful tool. Let's begin with the Suktavir asana, recline hero pose. You can move into the mountain pose first and then drop your knees and sit on the mat. Slowly come down by placing the forearm and elbow on the ground. Bring the crown of the head to the ground while arching the back and stretch your hands completely. Make sure that you are not overstraining the muscles. Close your eyes and relax the body. Breathe deeply and slowly in the final position. And to come out of this posture, breathe in and taking the support of your elbow and forearms, raise the head above the ground. Slowly release this posture, simply extending your legs forward. And to release the tension, shake your legs and just rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise. Let's move on to the next asana, Matsya Asana, the fish pose. Lie flat on your back, making sure your legs are together and your hands are placed comfortably beside your body. Place your palms and your hip. Now bring the elbow closer to each other. Breathe in and lift your chest up and your crown touches the floor. Make sure that the weight of your body is on your elbow and not on your head. Hold this position only you are comfortable. Breathe normally. Exhale and release this position, lifting your head first and then dropping your chest to the ground. For more advance, cross your legs in Padmasana and then relax your whole body. This asana helps to prevent and remove disorders of reproductive system. Drink 2 or 3 glasses of water and remain in this asana for as long as possible. People who suffer from the heart diseases, hernia, back condition should not perform this asana. The third asana is the standing forward bend. Start folding slowly from the hip, keeping both legs straight. If you feel your spine is rounding, try to put a small bend in the knee. Let your head drop and relax your neck, but try to keep your spine neutral and chest open. To come out of this asana, go back to the Tadasana and relax. Let's move on to the Adi Mudra. Place your thumb across your palm and wrap remaining fingers over thumb. Rest your palm down on your thigh. Adi Mudra helps the breath and lengthens the exhalation, which reduces the heart rate and blood pressure. Practicing Adi Mudra regularly when you find yourself experiencing a hot flush and stressful situation. Let's move on to the next mudra, Yoni Mudra. By performing Yoni Mudra, menopause problem can be resolved. A consistently regular yoga practice will help quiet the mind and body and may help reduce the discomfort commonly associated with premenopause and menopause. You can also practice Anulom Vilom and Brahmari. Thank you, and I will see you soon. Happy Diwali.